Hey, you know when you get an Amazon gift and you're like, what the hell did I just buy? Or you could be like, did someone buy me something off my wish list? Well, today I have a package and I think that I'm gonna find lots of treats in here. So, welcome to Nylonsrock. We're gonna do an unboxing and a try on of whatever's in this package. And my drink of choice today is going to be a shot of silver tequila. Ready, get set, go. So smooth. It was my birthday last week, so let's open this up, see who it's from, and enjoy the try on. So I'm gonna pull out something random and see if I actually bought this or if this is a gift. All right, my friends, I have a gift on my hands. So this is like a little garter, but in leather and studs. If you check it out, we have a double garter over here, and I think it will fit my thigh pretty nicely. But I almost feel like I gotta put a key on it. Yeah, doesn't it look so much better with a key? I'm gonna save this for later because I wanna put this on after any nylons, which I do not have on right now. So I'm excited to see if there's any nylons in that package. It's like Christmas. Oh, we have something over here. It is in the color gray. Ooh, beauty, beauty. It's a little bralette. It's a fantastic little bralette. I have this one in blue and it is gorgeous. So I think that this, with this outfit, actually might look better than the red. What do you think? I think I'm gonna go for it. Let me go change. Give me a moment. So gray is one of my favorite shades and I really love this cute little bralette. So sweet. Let's see if there's something to match. Oh my, we have some nylon gloves. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm super excited. I don't even know who got me this yet, but I will find out very, very soon. These feel amazing. They are so soft. And I'm really excited to put them on. I've never really worn these kind of nylon long sleeve gloves. But I'm super excited. These are probably gonna be so good for me when I'm putting on my nylons because my nails will snag anything. But look, you get to wear some layered, loose gloves. Ooh. I'm super excited about these. I don't think I've seen anything more stunning than these mesh nylon gloves. I'm not going to show too much right now because I'm not quite ready, but I'm digging these for sure. We have two more treats in here. A pair of Sevilla, which are seamless CDRs, and it's in a light pink shade. These ones have an amazing shine, and I love the fact that they're seamless because it's like breathable, instant air conditioning. Fior is my favorite type of knee-high. They have beautiful designs and very comfortable elastic bands. I'm not gonna lie. So why don't I put on these two and see how this outfit looks? I'll give you a little fashion show. These Sevilla tights are super cute. I bet in the sunshine they sparkle. They are super, super comfortable. The waistband comes up nice and high, which I'm quite surprised about because other pairs that I've had before just don't kind of fit me the same way. But tell me, how do we like this shade of light pink? With, of course, my little gray bralette. And I am decked out, and I read the little card, and thank you so much, Simon. You rock. I so appreciate the gift that you got me, or the gifts, should I say. Really makes me feel special on my birthday week. So you will be getting a very special present as well. You want to see what I have here going on? We have a beautiful gray bralette and some nylon gloves that go all the way up. I have a perfect little garter that I can hold some keys on, along with some CDRs that are in a light shade of pink, and some knee highs that have a pattern on them, and they are light gray. Aren't they special? Oh, I want to announce the next Pantyhose giveaway. This month I think you're feeling super lucky, aren't you? So if you want to win a pair of my Nylons, all you gotta do is join my VIP fan page, link down in the bio, or you can join one of my membership tiers. The higher the tier, the more entries you get. Just saying. You could be the next winner. You rock, Nylons rock. Check out all my other pages because they're so much fun. And have a fantastic day.